Welcome to day 2 of 63, going from 0 to 100K a month in sales. Alright, at this point in the journey, if you haven't checked out day 1, make sure to do that, or it might be over there. So make sure to check out day 1 if you're just getting started. We're on day 2 now, so you should have a list of around 100 channels or names that you're going to reach out to for your marketing efforts. So this is if you're selling an ebook, a course, some type of product or service that's digital. That's what you want to focus on. And now we're going to reach out to different marketing channels, podcasts, YouTubers, social media influencers who will benefit from sharing your educational and entertaining content. So for me, that's lucid dreaming, sleep, improving mental health, and manifestation. So I will be reaching out to these channels. So when you're reaching out to the channels, we're going to make each person a specialized message. Some people you can do text messages, some people you can do emails, some people you can do personal video messages, depending on what type of outreach you can gain from online. So we're going to do that today. And we're going to reach at least 7 times out to these people until they respond. Hopefully we'll get positive responses from everybody. And don't reach out every single day, space them out every few days. So make a content schedule on an Excel spreadsheet about who you're reaching out to, who responded, and what meetings you have set up. All right, let's get started.